Company through Wemyss Trust. We are pleased to be here at Nyamagwa SDA Secondary School to hand over the computer lab which has been donated by this trust. We know that we have come a bit far because normally we find ourselves around the Sotikti company. I'm sure there are a number of you who know Sotikti company. And so Nyamagwa SDA Secondary School is the 61 out of the 61st secondary school where we have given a computer lab. This is something which we started in 2014, and we have been doing it mainly in Nyamira, Kirisho, and Bomet. And so we are pleased that we have come a little bit further out of that region to donate this in this school in Kisii. We know that there is a lot of, we talk a lot of things about tea, and in this region we are tea drinkers, but also we have some other negative things to say about tea farms and so on. So I stand here on behalf of the founders to say there is a lot of good things that come from those tea farms, and one of those things is this computer labs that have been benefited. By tomorrow evening, it will be 63 secondary schools since we started this particular project. I think I'll be saying a little bit more there when we go to the field, but I wanted to emphasize about this kindness and the generosity of the founders of Sotikti company, that they have such a big heart and they have given these computer labs to those number of schools. We are looking at close to half a billion shillings to contract a classroom like what you are seeing behind here and equip them with those computers and all the accessories. And so, as a trustee, and on my left is Cyrus Jibokane, who is a trustee, Peter Berosoy, and there's one trustee who is not with us here at Wemyss Trust, who is somewhere in Scotland. But we are very grateful for the support they continue to give. What I would ask, we continue to pray for tea to do even better, because this is the result of whatever they get out of the tea that they give back to the society. And when Nyamagwa SDA Secondary School, the students here benefit, many other people benefit. A few years, we have just been told that it takes them the whole day to do the exam, and now they will be taking them hours to complete the practical exams, and that is wonderful. And when they get out of here, when they go to university, and they already have this background of computers. Some of us we saw computers when we started working. So for them, by the time they get there, we foresee them to be.
That shows the importance of us partnering with the other donors to be able to equip our schools. Where we are moving to, under the CBC curriculum, ICT is going to play a very pivotal role. And almost in all the schools, we expect them to be equipped with ICT gadgets, because in all the learning areas, ICT is compulsory. And therefore, having partners being brought on the board, that is the way to go. And we believe more partners will come in to assist more of our schools so that we can improve the quality of education we are providing in those schools. And with the support of the donors we are having now, we call more to come in.
And we are really delighted that you have been handed over the computer lab, which is fully equipped by Wemyss Trust. And we want to thank the foundation for the great work. And I know that we shall partner in other things. We are happy and just want to say thank you. And on behalf of all the members of Nyamagwa, we are grateful. And